Accessible Web.
Our accessibility browser extension, Accessible Web Helper, integrates with RAMP to provide accessibility page analysis, real-time color contrast checking, manual auditing assistance, and task synchronization. The free color contrast checker helps you easily evaluate one of the most common accessibility violations. With a built-in page scanner, you can identify violations on any page, highlight them for further inspection, and instantly create tasks within RAMP with a simple click. Pinpoint the source of the issue found in RAMP by launching the extension directly from a violation or task. Manual auditing? Our guided manual audit tool assists you through WCAG level rule sets for a complete audit. From the start of your accessibility journey to manual auditing, Accessible Web Helper is here to assist. Try any level of Accessible Web RAMP. Start your free 14-day trial today.